Welcome to Automania, the place where car enthusiasts get their daily dose of automotive updates, reviews, and features. If you're new here, don't forget to check out our other videos on the Car Crest series where we dive into the latest car releases, including detailed breakdowns and comparisons. Today we're taking a close look at the highly anticipated ramcampervan 2026. Built for adventure seekers and travelers who crave freedom on wheels, this new model blends rugged utility with refined comfort in a way that makes it stand out from the crowd. Ram has taken a bold step with the 2026 edition, offering more customization, enhanced tech, and a performance package that delivers both on-road and off-grid. Under the hood, the ramcampervan 2026 comes equipped with a powerful 3.6-liter V6 engine paired with a smooth 9-speed automatic transmission. There's also an option for a turbocharged 4-cylinder engine that offers a more fuel-efficient yet capable performance for those who plan long-distance drives. With available all-wheel drive, this van can handle a variety of terrains, making it a solid choice for campers and road trip lovers. Step inside, and you'll immediately notice the spacious and thoughtfully designed interior. The layout is smart and modular, allowing users to reconfigure the space to suit their lifestyle. Whether you're setting up a sleeping area, a kitchenette, or a workstation, the van accommodates it all with ease. Premium materials and a sleek finish give it a modern feel, and with multiple storage options, there's room for everything from camping gear to daily essentials. The tech features in the 2026 model are impressive. The dashboard includes a large touchscreen infotainment system with support for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. It also includes navigation, voice control, and a Wi-Fi hotspot to keep you connected no matter where your journey takes you. Multiple USB ports and wireless charging come standard, while an upgraded sound system is available in higher trims for those who appreciate entertainment on the road. Safety is a top priority in the new ramcampervan. It comes packed with driver assist technologies such as adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, and lane keeping assist. A 360-degree camera system provides a full view around the vehicle, making parking and tight maneuvers much easier. These features not only enhance safety but also offer peace of mind, especially during long drives or when navigating unfamiliar routes. One of the standout features of this camper van is its off-grid capabilities. Equipped with solar panels, auxiliary batteries, and a high-efficiency power management system, it's designed for those who love to explore remote areas. The built-in water tanks and compact bathroom setup make it possible to stay off the grid for extended periods without sacrificing comfort. On the exterior, the 2026 ramcampervan carries a bold and rugged design. It features LED lighting, roof rails, and optional off-road tires for added durability. The sliding door and rear access points make entry and storage effortless, while built-in awnings and outdoor lighting add to its camping-friendly appeal. Overall, the ramcampervan 2026 is a strong contender in the camper van market, offering a blend of practicality, comfort, and adventure-ready features. It's clearly designed for those who don't want to compromise on either performance or lifestyle when hitting the road. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to Automania so you don't miss any upcoming reviews, feature breakdowns, or latest news from the world of cars.